ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. One of the important verb that's actually wake up. So this is we really required to use it to tell someone wake up early. It's getting late. And how to use the same word in Kannada. So we should be knowing wake up and get up. There are two different verbs. But here, so what is happening? The wake up is echaragollu in Kannada. The usage is less. But as of now, the more usage which we have is eddelu. Eddelu, okay, or eddeli with respect. So this eddelu what we are using, we can use for both you get up, okay, and you wake up. For both the things we can say. For example, I can tell you chair in the mele eddelu. That means get up from the chair. Okay, so that is without respect. Whereas if I have to use with respect, chair in the mele eddeli also we can say. And now let's think this eddelu we are using for the wake up. Okay, so how we can practice these words? It's like how all the verbs what we have learned, the 12 options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The one always that is without respect telling someone, that is order. So what we have taken, Neenu bega eddelu. That means you get up early. Okay. So Neenu, we can also say Neenu naale belige bega eddelu. So tomorrow morning you get up early, we can say. And second one, so in all the verbs, you can go and check in all the videos, that is with respect, giving order to someone, okay, using that particular verb. Neevu bega eddeli, we can say. So Neevu bega eddeli, that is you get up early with respect. So we have to take Neevu, okay, you with respect, and eddeli, if it is capital L and then U in the ending, that is eddelu. If it is capital L and then I, that actually goes with respect, eddeli. So ನೀವು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳಿ, that means you get up early in the morning. I can say ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳಿ. Okay, so for tomorrow morning you get up early. And next one is about me, so I will get up. So this is about all the words what we have taken for the future tense. This is future tense. The next video what we are going to do, that's for the present continuous. So then ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀನಿ is I will get up. Okay, I will wake up. So that is ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಎದ್ದೇಳು plus ತೀನಿ will become ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ತೀನಿ means about me. ತಾರೆ with respect to everyone. ತಾನೆ about males without respect. ತಾಳೆ about females without respect. So same concept is actually applied for all the other verbs. Okay, so ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So tomorrow morning I'll get up early, or tomorrow morning I'll wake up early. Okay, and that's about me. And for the second person, that is for you. So this actually goes like a statement. Usage is very less, but I can tell you where we are going to use it a lot. ನೀನು ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀಯ, that means you will get up early. ನೀನು ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀಯ, you will get up early. So this statement actually we use less, but I can make it question. While doing question we get the proper sentence. ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀಯ, what time will you wake up, that is ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ or ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀಯ also we can use. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀಯ or ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀಯ. So while making question, we get the proper meaningful sentence, okay, in the fourth one and the sixth one. Next, I can also say ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀಯ, when will you get up or when will you wake up also we can use. Next one about we, now. So now I need to tell we will get up early or we will wake up early, that is ನಾವು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಆರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ನಾವು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 5 is 5, 6 is 6. ನಾವು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 7 is 7. Okay, that is about we. Okay, we will. Next one is you with respect, plural. ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. It's a statement. But again, as I said, the usage will be less of this statement, but we can make it as question always. ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ಎಷ್ಟು YESH ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ TU ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ, HO ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟಿ IGE. ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ವೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ? ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ನೀನು ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ make it NEEVU, that is ನೀವು. Okay, and next one is ನೀನು, you without respect. So this is question actually. ನೀನು ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ? will you get up early? ನೀನು ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ? that means will you get up early? ನೀನು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ? will you get up early tomorrow morning? So this is question. This is question without respect. We can actually use it for all males and all females. Okay, ನೀನು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ is the question. Whereas if we have to use with respect, then we have to say ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀರಾ is actually the question with respect. So we can use it for both males and females and even plural. Okay, for all people we can actually use. Next one, about females without respect. And if you have to use respect, then we have to use the 11th option for all males and females with respect. Okay, similarly the 10th option always we have taken for males without respect. Okay, and again if we have to use respect, same concept we have to use the 11th option, which goes for all people with respect. Okay, and ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು, my daughter. ನನ್ನ is mine. Okay, my daughter. Okay, so will get up early in the morning, or I can say she will get up in the morning by 6 or 5, whatever it is, or even 4. So ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. So let's practice the numbers also. That will help us. 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 4:15 is 4:30, 5:15 is 5:30. Okay, so ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ನಾಳೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ, 4 NAALAKKU. Okay, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ನಾಳೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. Fine. Next, so or we can say ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ. So especially without respect one, please try to use only for known members, only for known family members. Wherever we have to give respect, let's try to give respect to all other people. So ನನ್ನ ಮಗ. So here instead ಮಗಳು you can even say ತಂಗಿ is younger sister. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. You can say 4:15 is 4:30. Okay, 4:15 we have to use. Okay, ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ನಾಳೆ 4:15 ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. I can say, or ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Also we can use ತಾನೆ, always NE in the ending. That's actually going for all males without respect. Then this we can use even for younger brother. ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ I can use. Also I can say ನನ್ನ friend. So ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Or I can say ನನ್ನ friend ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 5:15 ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. 5 is 5 o'clock, and then 5:15 is 5:30. Same concept we use for the kilos also. 5 kg, 5:15 kg, 4 kg, 4:15 kg, 3 kg, 3:15 kg, 3 kilos, 3.5 kilos. Same concept about the time also. Then and 4 ಕಾಲು is 415. Okay, similarly 4 kilos 250 grams 4 ಕಾಲು, and 4 ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು is the 3/4. Okay, that is actually the ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು 345, or 3 ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು is 345, 4 ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು is 445. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ನಾಳೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಆರ್ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ, ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸೇ ವೆದರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಆರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಆರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಆರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವೇರ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದಿ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 6:15 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೈ 6:15. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಿ ಇಸ್ ಡಾಗ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಿ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 3 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವೇಕ್ ಅಪ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಉತ್ತೆ, ಎದ್ದೇಳುತ್ತೆ. So we completed the future tense for the ಎದ್ದೇಳು. I hope this will be useful to all of you. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Those who are following videos, please do let me know, and whichever the words you require, whichever the verbs you require, let's try to cover one by one. So those who could not able to follow the videos, please do let me know so that I can suggest you which videos you can actually follow one by one. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.